Today we will discuss Boolean function. The Boolean function is a definition you can understand. A Boolean function is an expression formed with binary variable with two binary operator or and. Okay, so the Boolean function is important to using the operator is or and. Okay, so next one, the unarray operator not the parenthesis and equal sign. Okay, so you can clearly understand what is a Boolean function. The function will be important to the operator or and. So you can use of operator. The mathematical symbol is plus and product key multiplication and. Okay, so this is the generally the question will be asked in the 2 marks questions. Definition about Boolean function. What is Boolean function? Okay, you can write the sentence. Okay, so the Boolean function is an expression formed with binary variable, two binary operator and the unarray operator not. Okay, so next one, the condition is two function is available. One function is, the name is f1 x plus y bar z1. Second function is f2 x bar y bar z plus x bar y z plus x y bar. Okay, so first the function 1 is, I will solve the truth table and logic circuit. Draw the logic circuit. Okay, right. So come to the point. The first one, f1 x plus y dash z. So this first function I will draw the table, truth table. After that, I draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so clearly understand, you cannot skip the video. Okay, so one by one point you can clearly understand. After that, you draw the clearly of your circuit diagram. Okay, so what is the truth table? First you can understand how many variables available. Okay, so what is that? X, Y, Z. 3 variables available. Variables are value. So 2 power of 3 means 8. 8 values you can insert the table. Okay, so next one, X, Y, Z. 8 variables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values. Okay, so what is that? First you can draw the truth table. 3 value, for example 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, again 0, 1, 1. So up to you can complete the 8 value, 3 column, x, y, z. Okay, so what is the condition? First you can solve the y bar. Okay, so already I will explain the, what is that? X equal to 0 means x bar equal to 1. Okay, same things of here, x bar equal to 1 means x equal to 0. So this is the conditions you can use of your last class. Okay, so what is that? Y bar means, what is the y value? 0. You can change as the value is 1. Same, this is the y column. You can see the y column 0 into 1. It changes 1, 0, again 1, 0, 0 is 1, again 0, 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. So first you can simplify the y bar value. Okay, after that next go to the y bar z value. Already is available the z value. You can go to the y bar value and next go to the z. So what is that? Z bar equal to, y bar into z means this is the product. Okay, this is a multiplication. Already I will explain the multiplication. 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the formula, this is a table format. Okay, so next the y bar z is, so this is the y column and the z column. You can compare two. 0 into 1 multiplication 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. So next 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. Okay, you can solve the problem of your y bar z. Next, hold the problem, you can solve the x plus, okay, y bar z. So x plus y bar z. So what is the x value? This one. Again, y bar z value. Okay, 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 1. What is that? This is the addition. So this symbol you can use of additions. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 1. 1 into 0, 1. Okay. So this is the, you can use of your table will be finished through table. Let's come to the logic circuit diagram. Okay. So what is the logic circuit diagram? You can easily understand. We'll go to the previous class, digital logic gates. Okay. So what is the AND gate? What is the NOR gate? What is the XNOR gate? Okay. So clearly understand the gate. What is the symbol of your gate? Okay. So right. So this is the logic circuit diagram. So this function I will draw the diagram. Okay. First one x. This is the x and y. Y is available. Z is available. Okay. So x. This is the x. You can use of your diagram. But y is will be use of your y bar. Y bar is a not symbol. Okay. Y bar you can use. Again z will continue. So this is the two symbol. For example, y dash. This is the product. Okay. So this product will be used of your this symbol. Okay. NAND. Again, we'll go to the, this is the value, we will go to the use of your additions. X value plus yz value. Okay. Okay. This one will be use of your, this multiplications OR gate. You can use of your F1 function. This is the logic circuit diagram. Okay. So you can write the first definition. After that you can use of your two function. What is a Boolean function? Function is available. This is a through table is available and logic circuit diagram is available. Okay. So this is the first one complete. Let's go to the second one. F2 x bar y bar z and x bar y bar. You same things implement next table. I will erase after continue the next function 2.